to Go On Guitar. We have Pink here. She released a couple new songs here from her album. So this one is called Last Call. So we have a capo set here on the 4th fret. With that we have 5 easy chords we need to learn. So let's start right away. This is the C, and it goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. A minor next, that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. E minor, open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have F, so place a bar here on the 1st fret over all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord is G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. So yeah, C will be the first chord. We need to look at the strumming pattern here to handle this song. So we will learn the strumming with the C here. It's divided into 2 different parts. So we need to think pair of chords here for a big chunk of the song here, because that is how it works. Yeah, not through the entire song. It will change a little bit later. But yeah, mainly it's yeah, kind of a pair of chord thing here, where 2 chords pair up and together they fulfill 1 round of the strumming. So we'll look at the different parts now, starting with the part 1. It goes down, 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 up. Okay, so down, down, down. And the second part will be up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So it will be connect these 2 parts, it will be down, 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 up, 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 down, up, up, down, up. Yeah, so there we have the basics here for this song. So now we'll look at the chords now, and the verse and the chorus play goes in the same way. So that will be C, part 1, so down, 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 up, and then you change to A minor and play part 2, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. And then you apply the same principle for the chords E minor, part 1, and F, part 2. So that is 1 chord progression round, so it sounds like this, a little bit slower. And then comes the pre-chorus. Here it will play G, and you will play G for 1 full strumming round plus part 1, and after the part 1 there will be a short pause there that builds up for the chorus. So you just stick with G, play 1.5 round of the strumming like this. Pause, and then starts the chorus in the same way as the verse. So and so on. And then finally, about 3 minutes into the song, comes a bridge part. Here you will play G 1 full round, A minor 1 full round, F 1 full round, and then just G 1 down. So G, A minor, F, 1 full strumming round per chord, and then you end with 1 down on G, like this. chorus. And there you have the different parts to put this together. Pink's Last Call. So if you enjoy learning these kind of new songs, they're newly released songs, then subscribe to this channel. I will get a lot of new songs here on this channel here. Pink is one of those, so feel free to subscribe and leave a comment. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tune.